number 2 in a very large family in Canterbury. Father, he made shoes, owed a bit of money here and there, but was quite popular. I grew up with lots of sisters, fighting, screaming, wanting to be heard, dreaming of a way out to lay out future plans. I was lucky to get a scholarship to study at the famous King's School, one of the chosen few who went on to study at Cambridge University. There I learnt more languages and read the classics, changed my thoughts, never stopped me dreaming, scheming, writing life the way I saw it. They laughed and told me I could never write an old wives' tale. They said, "Kit, darling, don't you step above your station or you'll fail. Look at what happened to Icarus when he flew too near the sun. 'Cause life does not have time for the ambitions of a shoemaker's son." They call me poet, though I'm not really keen to end my lines in rhyme a lot. Wrote a play about Dido, the Queen of Carthage, with Tom Nash, my uni roommate. Through my words I live a life that's different, greater than my own. I can question, challenge, critique, ridicule the world. Times were really tough, life was cheap in an era of religious politics. Catholic schemes were rife on the life of our noble Queen Elizabeth. Careful what you say or do, the walls have eyes and hedges have ears. People were tried and people died. You did all you could do to keep alive. They laughed and told me I could never write an old wives' tale. They said, "Kit, darling, don't you step above your station or you'll fail. Just grab at what you can and run, boy, while you still have your chance. 'Cause life does not have time for the ambitions of a shoemaker's son." My path is set and I'll take holy orders, repay my debt, pass on what I know. But there must be more to life than just God and chastity. Then again, look what happened to the Virgin Mary. They laughed and told me I could never write an old wives' tale. They said, "Kit, darling, don't you step above your station or you'll fail. Just watch this space, I'm telling you, there's more from me before I'm done. And life will make the time for the ambitions of a shoemaker's son."